Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Super Kid Shabir. If you are learning from my videos, please consider subscribing and hit the like button so that I can make more videos. Today we are going to learn 10 science things every kid must know. Number 1. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter. How many bones are there in a human body? 206. How? What is the process by which plants make their own food? That is called photosynthesis. Very good. Which gas do plants absorb from the air during photosynthesis? It is carbon dioxide. Great job. Do you know what is the closest star to Earth? That is the Sun. Perfect. Here is the interesting one. Which planet is known as the red planet of solar system? Mars. Do you know what is the chemical symbol for water in science? We call it H2O, that is water. What is the force that pulls objects towards the center of the earth? The force is called gravity. How many continents are there on earth? There are 7 continents, and you must know the name as well. What is the process by which water turns into water vapors and rises into the atmosphere? That is evaporation, when the water boils and evaporates in the air. Good job. I hope you consider it very useful and knowledgeable. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and I will see you next time. Bye. I hope that you are learning with me. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel and follow for more. Bye.